Number 3 would be, I guess, accessibility. A lot of the times things are just really far, not easy to afford for people that are young and coming here to study. Accessibility is really important. Long distances are really hard to get to. If it's during the week, people go to school or people have to work. If it's in the weekend, people have to pay for travel, which also makes it harder to make that decision. Like, for example, a masterclass. I wanted to attend a masterclass, but it cost like 300 euros, which a given because it's information, tangible, intangible information, tangible
It's
value.
not an amateur class, it's a
No,
master class.
but I don't have that money.
I ain't got it.
And it would have been great if I had the possibility to follow that at the beginning where it's accessible, maybe where it's with someone that I can look up to that looks like me, and that it feels like I can reach that as well. Instead of that, I'm struggling to get to that when maybe that's not what the course of action will be because they have certain advantages already.